Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I hope everybody is doing really good. I am doing really good. I'm so excited to be here today. I have one item and one item only to let y'all know about. This is an item that I got from one of my favorite stores, and of course it's called TEMU. So I ordered this product because I create content and I thought this would be a good object to have in my tools that I use. However, I didn't read the description. Okay? So we're gonna talk about it. Now, I ordered 2 of these things. And y'all, this thing is the bomb. I'm just gonna let y'all know right now. This is the bomb. I know y'all like, what in the world do she got? Y'all, this is a light. Like if you shoot videos, if you are a photographer, this is a good asset. I used to be a photographer. I love this, on the small scale. This can give you some good lighting wherever you shoot at in your home. You can use it in the kitchen, in the car. This is a USB powered. So let me go ahead and take it loose. And I'm going to show y'all how it works. Okay. This is a light from TEMU. I will put the description down below to let y'all know where to get it. That way, if you want to order it, you can just click on it and go straight to the link. Alright, so let me go ahead and get my little charger right here. And y'all, you can, so this is where I messed up at. I thought this came with the little bitty tripod, but it does not come with the tripod, as you see. However, they have the little screw hole where you can attach it to any tripod. So the cord is super long, and it has this little controller right here. I'm going to show y'all how that works. Now you can do the little white light. It also comes with these little light filters that I'm about to show y'all. And I just love it. I got that one at my work desk. So I'm going to put this on. Let me figure out how this thing go on. Okay, there we go. I was going to say, I know how to do it. Okay. There we go. It slips through there. So this is the cover. So I'm gonna cut my light off so y'all can see how light this thing is. Okay, you see how lighted, how dark it is. Look at that, y'all. This thing is so bright. I don't want to flash it up in the... Okay. Y'all, so it lights up. It does pretty good. I mean, it don't light up the whole room, but it does light up an area. So, I just wanted to show y'all that. I'm going to show you the other filters as well. So, let me click the little on and off button. Alright, so I'm going to try the blue filter. Let's see. There we go. So we're going to turn that this way so I don't hurt nobody's eyes. Look at that blue light. Yeah, that is so cute. Like, I love this thing. I absolutely love it. So that was the blue one. It comes with the white one. It comes with the blue one. It comes with the yellow. It comes with purple. It comes with pink, green, orange, red, and black. So they send you a lot of filters that come with it. I just wanted to show y'all this device. And I forgot how much I paid for it, but like I said, I'll put it in the description box below. That way, y'all can see how it works. You know what? I'm kind of anxious to try out this black filter. Like, I have never seen a black filter on a light. So you know what? I want to try this out. There we go. Let's see. I'm finna try this out, y'all, okay? It's kind of like a gray. It's still light on it, okay? So that's more so like a gray. I'm going to let y'all go. You have a good weekend. Enjoy your night with your family. And be safe. Bye.